Hi guys, this is Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Let's make something super cute. Y'all stay tuned. So today we are going to make something that is multifunctional. You can use it to put Valentine's cards in. You can use it to fill with candies. You can even put a little trinket inside of it. It's just a neat little box that can serve many, many purposes. And here it is. It is truly a delightful little box. It measures 6 by 3.5 by 1. And like I said, you can put all types of different things in here. It's just an all-purpose box. I thought I would make one because I have some little things that I want to put inside for my daughter. And I thought that this box would be perfect. So I thought I'd share the construction of it with you guys in case you wanted to make something similar or you wanted to alter it and turn it into a size that you need it to be. Okay, so to make our project, we are going to need a piece that measures 8 by 11. And I have already pre-scored. So on the 8-inch side, we score at 1 and we score at 7. Then we rotate it to the 11-inch side and we score at 3.5, at 4.5, at 8, and at 9. And then we need to fold and burnish our scores. And once we have our scores folded and burnished, I am going to remove these two pieces. So I'll hold this up and show you the difference. So you can see on this one, you've got a panel here and then a smaller panel here. At the bottom, we have a larger panel. So this is our top flap. On mine, I am going to remove these two pieces because I am folding my flap over on the outside. And then we're going to come back and we will have this flap and this flap. We're simply going to cut in to get our tabs. So I'll go in just like that and angle cut. Drag down and angle cut in. All right, so now we can put this together. So the way that we do it is we are going to take our glue here and place glue on these two tabs. Then we'll bring up the back piece or the flap over piece and connect it to our tabs. And we're going to want to get it nice and tight, just like that. And then I'll go in on the inside and I am just going to smooth out my glue. And now we can take this piece, bring it up, fold it like that, and we'll glue the sides. So let's go ahead and place our glue on the sides, just like this. Fold it over, making sure that the top is nice and even. Then I'll fold that back just a little bit, and I am going to go in on the inside with my bone folder and get everything nice and stuck down. And guys, I am using a 110 weighted cardstock, so it's very thick, which makes it ideal for making a box if you want to make that box without backing it with any chipboard, especially if it's like a one-time use box. You wouldn't need chipboard for this. Okay, so our box is now done. It's complete. So now I'm going to come back and just do a very quick trim decoration on this. And I am going to use my sticker sheet and just cut off a little bit of this. And this sticker sheet is from Reminiscence. Then I'm going to come back with my sticker. And I just want to place it along the bottom here, just to kind of break up the red. Just like that. And now I'll come back and I'm going to trim off the excess. Could have folded it over because it really wouldn't hurt anything. And now we've got this cute little box. So now what I am going to do, and you don't have to do this step, I am going to use magnets to close mine. So I am going to take just a little bit of glue. You can use Velcro. And I am going to take this magnet and just tuck it in the inside here. Just like that. And now I'll let this magnet find it so that when I close that, everything is good. So I'm going to put my glue on there just like that. And then I'm going to get this folded over the way that I want it to fold. Press it so that I can get my mark of where my glue needs, where my magnet needs to be. Then I'll take the magnet, stick it down just like that. Then I use my 2-inch scallop punch, and I punched out a little scallop from some scrap paper. I am simply going to take this heart and place it in the middle. And then I'm going to come back with one of my puffies and just place it down right there. And now I've got a really sweet closure for this box. So I'll come back and just place some glue. And now I can bring this in just like this, get my box closed. And I'll take my little heart and put it down just like that. All right, guys, so here we have it. We have got a completed little box that is perfect to fill with goodies. And I used a magnetic closure on mine. You don't have to do that. You can use Velcro, you can tie it with a ribbon, you can do a belly band. Whatever it is you want to do on it to close yours is exactly what you can do. So I am going to bring in the other one so that I can show you guys just how absolutely fantastic these two little projects are. And these make great little holders for gifts. So guys, I hope that you have liked this project. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.